Hello students, this is Ruchi Jain. In the series of video lecture for the subject Business Law for the Act Consumer Protection Act 1986, this is our last lecture. Consumer Dispute Redressal Agencies. Friends, in order to provide the speedy and simple redressal to consumer disputes at a lower cost, which is the main objective of the Consumer Protection Act, a quasi just machinery is basically work or set up at different district, state, and central levels to solve the consumer disputes. They are authorized to give relief and to award appropriate compensation to consumers in the order given in a quasi bodies of are not followed, they are authorized to charge penalties. So for solving the consumer disputes or for solving the consumer matters, this consumer dispute redressal agencies are worked. Basically, agencies are set up at different district, state, and central level. So according to the cases, the level of cases, this agencies are working. Now, consumer dispute redressal agencies at district level, district forums are worked. At state level, state forums are worked, and at national level, national forums are worked. So, consumer dispute redressal forums to be known as district level, district forums are worked and established. Basically, they are established by the state government within the prior approval of the central government in the each district of the state by notification. The next is state level state commission. The Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission is known as State Commission, established by the state government with the prior approval of the central government in the state by notification. Then the next national level, National Consumer Protection Dispute Redressal Commission is worked, established by the central government by notification. Thus, basically there will be a constitution of district forum in each district, state forum at each state, and national forum at central levels are worked. So now we'll start with the district forum. Basically, a district forum, a person who is each district head shall constitute its district forum. A person who is or has been qualified to be a district judge to be nominated by central government shall be its president. Two or more members shall be person of ability, integrity, and standard. One of them shall be woman. Or we can say the person and one more important thing in this is that they should have knowledge and expertise in dealing with the problems related to economics, laws, commerce, accountancy, industry, public affairs, or administration is important. Every appointment shall be made by the state government on the recommendation of a selection committee constituted uh, generally by the president of the state commission or by the secretary of law of department of state. Now, the district forum should hold office for the term of 5 years, and for continuous 5 years they are working. As per the section 11, the district forum shall have jurisdictions to entertain complaints where the value, goods, and compensation does not exceed 20 lakhs. This is the important point under this district forum is that according to section 11 of the district forum have the claims are on does not exceed 20 lakhs. The complaints shall be instituted in a district forum and the limit is up to 20 lakhs. Now the next is what are the rules of the rules and powers of the district forum. So they have some rules, and district forum have some powers also. So first one is right to give instructions. District forum has the right to give instruction, like the district forum work may reply parties to the case, and they may give for the they may also give instructions. Summons for attention of to witness. If the attendee of any witness is essential for hearing of any case, then district forum has the right to send summons for attendance. Next is examining the witness on oath. This is another the power of district forum, that district forum has the right to take a statement from witness on oath and examine them. Even though first cases are go in this, they examine with the witness. Next is right to receive reports. The district forum has right to receive and examine the reports sent by appropriate laboratory after test of goods. So they test the goods and receive the report and work according to that reports. Right to appoint experts. In the if sometime conditions arises that disputes are such that there is a need for expert advice, like if sometime if medicine case is come, then expert from pharma sector is appointed. So the district forum can appoint any expert or such experts for the expert opinions. Then the right against opposite party if the complaint is found correct. If the district forum is satisfied that the goods suffer from any of the defect specified in the complaint, or that any of the allegations contained in the complaint about the services are proved, then in this case they can issue an order to the appropriate party directing him to take one or more of the uh, cases, like they may remove the defect, or they may replace the goods, or they may return the complaint, or compensate that person. There are some cases, but they have the right to opposite party or work for the party or for the consumer. So these are all are the rights and powers of the district forum. Now we are talking about the state commission. Friends, if the state commission is the second highest authority over the entire state for consumer disputes, the president of a state commission is a high court judge appointed by we can say appointed by the state government. Each and every member of the state commission shall hold office for again for 5 years, and or up to the age of 67. The highest age for the member of a state commission is 67 years. So the state commissions shall have jurisdictions to entertain complaints where the value of goods and compensation claims exceed 20 lakhs but does not exceed 1 crore. Appeals are made against the order of any district forum within the state. It has the power to call for the records and pass appropriate order for any consumer disputes which is pending before any district forum within the state. So, as district forum has the limit of 20 lakhs, so state commission has limit of 1 crore. The same procedure is adopted by the state commission also for dispute and complaints as of district forum, and it has same powers and exercise same kind of work for the consumer as per the district forum, and complaints procedure are also same, but the level of complaint as has that it is on way or on motion by this. Now we are talking about the last topic, National Commission. National Commission Redressal is the highest authority all over India for redressing consumer disputes. The president of National Commission is a Supreme Court judge appointed by the central government, and there should be minimum 4 and minimum 6 and maximum 9 members in the national commission, and the seats entertain up to the 1 crore, 1 crore the cases range above 1 crore are claimed over here. And national commission, basically national commission have the jurisdiction to entertain appeals against the order of the state commission filed within 30 days from the date of order. So this is the national commissions. Basically, when we're talking about the provisions and rules applicable to disposal of complaints and district forum are applicable to the national commissions also, and the complaints are presented to the national commission where same procedure is followed to modification which is adopted by the district forum. This is the important point. So friends, at last, normally the National Commission is required to decide the complaints within 3 months from the date of notice received by the opposite party. 5 months are given in if testing is required, and National Commission's issues order if satisfied with proof and evidence. It has the power to publish the order in the official gazette. It enjoys similar rights and duties. So this is all about the National Commission and how they are worked. So friends, that's all about the consumer dispute redressal agencies. Basically, the main difference, the procedure is same for all three levels, but the main difference is that about the compensation amount, or about the we can say value of goods. As in district forum till 20 lakhs amount is considered, above 20 lakhs and one but not exceeding 1 crore comes under state commission, and above 1 crore comes under national commission. So friends, thank you very much for this video. Thank you.